Hey there, this is Colin from Sinclair Woodworking. I'm out here in the barn. I'm going to do something I haven't done before, but I'm doing it because a good friend of mine decided to make something for me. Actually, no, I shouldn't say that. I hired him. But a friend of mine, Jacob Snyder from Crowforged, he's a blacksmith, he's a farrier. He made me a hammer a few months ago, and I love it. During the day, I'm usually building houses, so I usually use a framing hammer. So he usually makes, hammers for blacksmithing, but I gave him a challenge. Let's see how he did here. Sorry, I lost my tripod, so I gotta hold the camera. Okay. Brown paper. A lot of brown paper. Alright, not easy to do with one hand. I'm going to say one thing about Jacob, he's very thorough with his wrapping. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that, baby. Nice big handle. There's his emblem. That is a nice hammer. Nice tines. That. Well, Jacob, thank you very much. I think I'm going to need some more stuff pretty soon. Check him out. Instagram, Crowforged. Facebook, Crowforged. Take care. Good night.